Here's another cat. It's not the 7th cat. There is technically a 7th cat, but wait, no, not the 7th cat, the 6th cat, right? Yeah, the 6th cat. This isn't the 7th cat because, well, it would be the 7th cat if it was the 7th cat, but there is technically a 6th cat that I've yet to properly introduce. I'm sure you've seen him in a video. Anyway, I was gonna make this video in the first place, just saying that. So anyway, these people brought us a bunch of Thanksgiving dinner. They brought the box of apples I showed you was something they brought. They brought two hams and a bunch of turkey gravy, which I don't get because they gave us ham. A bunch of macaroni. What else was there? There were some stockings, which we already have. I think there was some kind of mashed potatoes and scalloped potatoes. And then there's this cat. And there were, I don't know, I have to go back in there and look. And then there's this pie. Potatoes. Some other kind of potato, I think. And what looks like more potatoes. Box of noodles. Box of macaroni. 2 other boxes of macaroni. So anyways, another thing, I think we're going to be going to some kind of a, I wouldn't call it a dealership, and I wouldn't call it a, what would you call it, a rent-owned place. Like, I don't know, there's one place we went to, I don't know. Anyway, we're supposed to be going there. We're trying to get me a car. I wanted to say that because just to continue concept of the channel, 8 years ago on this channel, I was singing about Cutie Caterpillar while running down the hallway, and now I'm going to get my license in May, and closer to graduating than to starting school. And this cat. And Spoinky, who is in the window. That's Spoinky. Yeah. So anyway, my introduction of the 6th cat. This is the 6th cat.